Botswana is still one of the countries worst affected by HIV/AIDS. The impact of the scourge on the economy and the people is both evident and severe. The scale of the epidemic has forced us to divert resources away from regular development projects and programs to the HIV/AIDS National Response Program.
It's like Rauta at the same time, it's like Raresa at the same time. Banana Babotswana, Arikite Katupana, Nicopella Matas Tabello, the Tabello, Cacopello, Moabello, Ntwakgolo, behavioral change. Snobazaleti, Arifeto Lambotilo, Recipire Lebototi. If it didn't know where we can Takamona, Katakano, the Kubo, Aribu, and the banana, it's a war we cannot afford to lose. This is a war we cannot afford to lose because our future and everything depends on it.
What we have done now, care and treatment, it's only phase 1. Prevention was always our ultimate objective. That's why we say we wanted 0 infections by 2016.
About triple C's, life without STDs, pleasure full of life, press like for SMC. We MC, a message to our people, eradicate the stigmas, democratic equals, eradicate the ignorance, murdering our youthfuls, good hopes, gaps, Tusi Libe Peakwe, Francistown stand up, heal by Hopilikwe, frontline we stand tall, beats about our secret, teach a man to fish and they'll live long and prosper. We rooting for our sons and our daughters, who you think will fight Ntwakgolo, not the doctor, not the lawyer, you're the one on the roster. Live in large Facebook when you stay to self, live life responsibly, no one to take a shot. Wise up and heed the message, child. Stand up, stand up.
For the present, what we are doing, all the international assistance we are now receiving, most of it now, we are channeling into prevention messages.
Yes, it's time we walk the talk.
Yes, it's time to walk the talk. Yes, it's time to walk the talk. Yes, it's time to walk the talk. Let's carry on the fight and walk the talk. Yes, it's time to walk the talk. Yes, it's time to walk the talk. Yes, it's time to walk the talk. Let's carry on the fight and walk the talk. Yes, it's time to walk the talk. Yes, it's time to walk the talk. Yes, it's time to walk the talk. Let's carry on the fight and walk the talk. Yes, it's time to walk the talk. Yes, it's time to walk the talk. Yes, it's time to walk the talk. Let's carry on the fight and walk the talk.
We are producing plays, we are producing videos, we are addressing meetings, we are holding seminars, and we are inviting people to come up with ideas of what else could be done pursuant to prevention rather than treatment.
Yes, it's time we walk the talk.